Hello everyone, my name is Tristan Freeman and this is my ASD Project 2 reflection video. This week we got into static data using XML, JSON, CSV, among many other forms of data, and implementing AJAX calls within our applications that would pull that static data from our individual machines. In addition to that, we continued to work on the CRUD for those of us that did not have it complete. I personally didn't get my entire CRUD working last week, so I continued to do that, and then I got my AJAX calls done using XML, JSON, and CSV data. So the things that went better than expected this week was certainly the AJAX. I was having some issues initially, and it took 2 or 3 days before I finally got that aha moment, and within a day really got all the AJAX calls complete and then got my CRUD functioning properly. So things that didn't go as well as expected is it took a little longer to get that moment where everything kind of clicked into place. With the long break that we had, I think that's kind of expected, but was a little frustrating at times. With this week, I certainly had to rely on all of my previous experience with JavaScript and rely on my researching ability. The videos this week for the AJAX didn't show a whole lot, so I had to really dig through my search results and find the information I needed. Never really found a set example, but found many little snippets of what I needed, and kind of had to piece that all together and really just play with it and debug it until it worked. So to do a little display of what I set up, I put my buttons on the home page, and then I made a div underneath my browse section to display the AJAX data. So if I click display XML data, it will load an alert that it's fired, as well as console log that it was fired, and then console log the actual data itself. Then I will get an alert saying that it's received. We'll also console log that it was complete, and then it will display underneath. I did the same thing for the JSON and the CSV, so if I get an alert for the JSON fired, same thing down in the console with the object, get the alert saying that it was received and a console log that it's complete. Again, it refreshes, clears it out, and then displays that data. And it does the same thing with the CSV. When I click, I get the alert that it was fired. At the same time, it clears out that div to display it. Console logs that it was fired with the information, get the alert for that it's received, and then the console log that is complete, and then it displays again there. So as far as my CRUD goes, I got my clear local storage complete with the confirm box that refreshes the page, and then I can hit display all. No local storage, dummy data has been added, so my autofill properly displays. It messes with the background a little bit, but if I choose something to edit, let it catch up a little bit. There we go. It repopulates everything except for the group. The group, I've been playing with it. I can't quite get that one to work. But if I change it to edit, the only thing, it doesn't overwrite what you're trying to change. It creates a separate entry. I went back to the VFW stuff where that was happening. Couldn't quite figure out how to make that part work. So technically it doesn't actually edit, but it kind of does. It halfway works. And to show my delete functionality, I'm going to reload the page. We'll start delete all again. It's been cleared. Page refreshes. Display all. Dummy data has been added. And I will find one that is easy to discern. So we'll say Celexa. If we delete, yes, I want to delete it. It's been deleted. Refreshes, messes up the background. But if I go home, I have to refresh again to display all. And if I look through, there should be no Celexa. And it's gone. So there is the demonstration of my delete as well. So once again, my name is Tristan Freeman. This is my ASD Week 2 reflection video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.